Hello, guys. Do you want to start using ChatGPT, but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll give you a simple step-by-step guide for beginners. Let's go. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. You can use it to write text, answer questions, generate code, and even create new ideas. First step is to create a ChatGPT account. Go to chat.openai.com and you can see Sign Up button. Click on Sign Up. You can use your email, Google, or Microsoft account. Verify your email and start chatting instantly. Second step. Using ChatGPT, type your question in the chat box. Example: write a short story about a cat. Tips for beginners. Be clear and specific. Use English for better results. Try creative requests like blog posts, email drafts, or learning help. The AI will respond within seconds. You can also ask follow-up questions to refine the answer. The example above is just a small sample. You can ask ChatGPT any question you have in a way that's easy for you to understand, and get help with it. You can also use it to get your work done more easily. If you think creatively, you can achieve a lot with this. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. In the next video, we'll learn how to create amazing photos using Canva AI. Goodbye. See you soon.